What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. So Focused Marketing and Promotions, Tech and Lifestyle channel. It's that time again. Early morning, waking up. Stores gotta go. You gotta go. Give y'all a little quick, showing how they train to go to the bathroom. Even the most smallest one. To use the bathroom on the pad. Alright. She's gonna come back out. She's gonna use the bathroom again on the pad. Like I said, they train to go on the pad. It's every morning, y'all, like clockwork. All right, I'm not gonna show y'all the whole thing, but yeah, she trained to go on the pad. 4 months old. It's not impossible. All right. Get their food ready, and I'll be right back with y'all. Yep, she go on the pad, and then she go right back in her crate. Y'all see that? I didn't even have to tell her to go in there. All right. Let me get their food ready and I'll be right back with y'all. See the floor clean? Carmen Cash is already outside. And get their food ready. And I'm gonna be right back with y'all. It's a little quick video. This ain't gonna be long. Alright? Give me a minute. I'll be right back. Yo, so we back in. I just wanted to give y'all a quick update. If y'all watched the last video, y'all see when I woke up and the place was a mess and all of that crazy stuff. So pretty much everything in life is about consistency. You know what I'm saying? So you got to keep doing the same thing over and over again, especially when it comes to dogs. You know, you get them consistent, and that's pretty much the name of the game. It's consistency, especially when you own a dog. You know, you got to wake up the same time. You got to feed them the same time. Or if not, you're going to wake up to, pardon my language, you're going to wake up to shit, No pun intended. And y'all seen that from my last video. Just this morning, y'all see this is what I do every single morning. And I wake up at this time every single morning. If I don't wake up at this time every single morning, the cleanup is a little bit heavier, So if you want to make it, if you resonated, if you relate it to life, if you're consistent, you'll be all right. So we got the bowls ready, and we're gonna, get their food ready, and we're gonna feed them, and that's gonna be that. All right, I'll be back in when everybody got their food. She about to eat. She going crazy. She know the food is here. This is her food. I'm about to give it to her, so she going crazy. She starts eating immediately. Get Calm and Cash food. I'll be right with y'all. See Calm out there waiting. I'm about to let them in. I'll be right back. Everybody got their food now. It's Cash. Of course, we're gonna be finished before everybody. We got Calm over here. See the neck on that girl? Well, she don't got no neck, but compact, thick. It's a nice looking dog all around. Stop eating so fast. Now you got Cash over here. Boy is greedy. Short. To the floor. Posture's correct. He is open for stud. If anybody interested, let me know. Yeah, as you can see in his bowl, he has finished his food already. Like I said, man, everything is consistency, man. You got to do everything on time and when it's right and at the perfect time. That's how you get results. It's consistency. Keep doing the same thing over and over and you get to the same results. That's it. I don't know if y'all caught last week's video, but yeah, when I woke up late, I had to do a big cleanup. This morning, like every morning, y'all see, I didn't have to do a big cleanup. The floor's not wet. I ain't cleaned up nothing. You know, and it makes it easier on me. And that's the whole thing in life, man. Make it easy on yourself. Don't complicate nothing. That's it. When you're consistent, that's it. Especially with these dogs. You feed them same time, they looking to get fed at the same time. If not, they gonna make a mess. And you can't really blame it on the dogs. You have to blame it on yourself. Because you taught them something, then you went out of what you was teaching them, and then boom, just like that. You know? It's Cash. It's not gonna be a long video. I just wanted to pretty much, it's probably gonna be like an update of last week's video. It's just stating what, you know, when you're not consistent, what happens. And this morning, I showed y'all pretty much, if you're consistent, you know, which I am 90% of the time, especially when it comes to them, and I try to apply it in my real life also, you get results. Especially when trying to train these dogs. You gotta be consistent. As you can see, calm finish. And again, Cash stays over here till she finishes. And then he's allowed to go over there. And then they get their playtime. And then that's it. And then they go back to sleep. That's what they do all day long. Sleep. Karma, get over here. Karma, move. And that's Karma. Alright, y'all. This ain't gonna be a long video. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. But this is what goes on every morning. Consistency is the key. Be consistent. Alright? Karma, leave this ball alone. Hey, leave it. Consistency is the key, y'all. Alright? Like I say at the end of every video, 3 things in life you gotta remember. And never forget it. Trust God, love family, and stay focused. Until the next video, stay focused, y'all.